Now, where was I before I had an equipment failure? Yes, that's right.
Let's go and make something.
My aiming's a little bit better there. My aiming was not too good in the first couple. So, what I shall do is I can snap that off. So, I now want to add just a little wee compartment to keep the cable separated from the welder. And I can just do that by putting a simple compartment going through there. That's at 100. I'm going to go and find a ruler that I had just a moment ago. I'll be back. You be Beethoven. Right, so I'm going to make it, say, even 400. Let's just get so it's going to go right there. So 400 by 100. Oh, I do love that fence. It's so smooth. Do love the new fence. That's just a spacer. The line just goes down there. And I want one end glued. And then a down pressure going to there. That one can actually reach. No. So, I want another piece. I'll slide there at 150. That must mean I did my measuring right. And there'll be a divider there. Eventually I'll get a few more. I might actually put a wee lid on it as well. I don't know, then I can put something on top. I don't know. I haven't thought about this, to be honest. Oh. Cut that out. It's getting a bit iffy for me even. No, we won't cut that on there. We'll go to the table saw. I'm wanting the other side of the line. Cool. Hopefully that is the right height. Just sits in there like that. And I want another one that just comes in there for it to sit on. So, right now I'd be needing a bobbin centre if anyone wants to send me one. Drill press. It's a little bit bigger than what I wanted, but it's the smallest I've got. And I was saying, I suppose I could use the rotary tool, but I'm here now, so oh shit, that's tighter than I thought. Need a little bit of persuasion. There's probably another 4 welding tips I'm going to get. They're specialised welding tips, so I think for the time being though, what do I make that again? 150? 150 by 113. That was just a guess putting that in there. That's my centre. How am I going to do this? Well, if I don't know, and you don't know, if I come in, say, we'll come in 20 there, 20 there, 20 there. We can do a very, very light line. I'm not worried if I can see it, to be honest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll put one there, one there. Yeah. Hopefully I've got enough, because that's all I've got. So these hinges are, didn't get any smaller ones, these were the smallest they had. We don't actually have much room to play with at all. and I'm very limited on what screws I've got left. So it was about now that I changed my whole idea and how I wanted to do the lid, and I also decided to put a plastic polycarbonate lid on. Therefore I had to change the brackets, the hinges. It basically means I'll have those router grooves and you'll see them, but since it's a workbox I'm not terribly worried about it, so I've had to change the way I do this due to the fact that this is so thin. So I'm going to put a bit of a backing board on here. So you can see on this one here, I'll take that out, that the hole just interferes with this backboard. Kind of annoying. I was hoping just to have the one notch out that was my trial and error mode of the hinges, but I haven't. I've now got two. But never mind, you're not going to really see it, and it's a workbox, so who cares really? It's going to do the job. That wee notch out is now allowing me to close the lid, and I still have that wee lip there that I can grab. On my next mission, although I don't think this is actually going to be strong enough, but I have to make sure that's not going to interfere with getting that out. It is, isn't it? So just off to the side then. Not sure how I'm going to do this just yet. So if I did it where I wanted it in the middle, I wouldn't be able to put this in. Put the actual unit in. So I'm going to put a carry handle here. Well, it's actually just a normal cupboard carry handle. And the distance between there and there, only 7, 2, 48, that was much. 48 and a half, I thought was much. Pretty sure that's the middle mark. What did I say? 48. So, technically, if I come up 50mm from there, 50mm from there, technically that should be straight. So I'm just going to cut them off to the actually lowest they can go. As you can see, it's all just screwed in there. I just need to shorten these, and the only other thing really is just to get rid of the top of the screw here, and I want to do that without scratching it too much, but I also know that it's going to get scratched. So it kind of pissed me off that that happened, that my first attempt didn't happen, but it is actually okay now. Guess it's in there. Luck saw. That will actually work quite nicely. That's actually, I'm surprised on how well that actually holds, considering that's just a normal cupboard magnet. I can get stronger ones, but they're like 5 times the price, and I'm too cheap for that. So anyway, sorry about these being a delay in getting videos out. I've just been working on various other things around the house that's not really video worthy, but hopefully this project will keep you going for the next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.